I need your suggestions. So we are taking a little side quest from my usual content because I need some help. We have been in New Zealand for 2 years, but I haven't really done some furniture shopping because we came over with a container and I need help with a vanity slash dressing table because look at this beautiful light. Now look at this very dodgy light because I have to make up like this and the half of my face is dark. So I always have patchy makeup and then I have to turn like this and redo it like this and I can't anymore. And I actually have this very lacquer room that is basically empty for me to put a dressing table. But now I need some suggestions because I need a vanity and I want one of those mirrors that light up your face. So if you have some suggestions for a cost-effective dressing table and light up in your face mirror, please comment down below so I can know where to look because I don't know. Google isn't very helpful and Facebook Marketplace is dry. And then who knows, maybe I'll share the makeover of this room with you all.